Hey everyone, Matt Info from Elias Woodwork. We are excited. We recently launched a revolutionary new line of mullion door options that offer a considerable cost savings versus traditional mullion doors. What makes these special is the manufacturing process that offers a high-end look for a budget-conscious customer. Traditional mullion doors are made up of curved parts, resulting in the wood grain following the shape of the curve. They also feature a profile mullion bar, which is coped into the frame of the door. With our new mullion door options, we are excited that each style is machined out of a single piece of HDF or solid wood, which results in the grain direction running vertical. They are manufactured as a separate item and inserted into the door frame of your choice, and then, of course, you can add your glass for preference. Each is easy to install with a screw-on glass retainer clip, and we can include those for you if they're required. Through market research and sales trends, we have identified 6 mullion styles that are preferred by designers and homeowners, shown behind me. As with all your components from Elias, your mullion doors are ordered customized to your size, species, and finish specifications. The possibilities really are endless, considering that each of these 6 new mullion options can be inserted in either a tenon or a miter door frame to match the rest of your cabinet doors. These new mullion options can provide an opportunity to add elegance and that high-end touch to your kitchen design for a fraction of the cost of traditional mullion doors.